All right, you guys, so it is currently 3:19 in the morning, and I am really excited and ready to do this voiceover before I go to sleep. So without further ado, let's get started. So today's makeup tutorial, we are going to be starting with our MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I already did my brows. Let me know if you guys want a brow tutorial. Please comment down below if you want a brow tutorial, because brows do take up a lot of time and I don't want to waste time in this video. I want to focus on this eyeshadow look. So I'm using the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I know they have like a different shade called Painterly. I never used it. I always use this one. So yeah, I'm using the flat top brush that came with the James Charles, set or whatever. So that's what I'm using. And then you want to let your Painterly paint pot dry down a little bit before you go in with your shadows and buff it out. So now I'm going in with this orange shade, and this shade is very neon. Like, I didn't expect it to be this neon, you guys, but the way I found blending shadows and doing these looks work is by putting down that base color, that darkest color first, and then blending out the edges with the transition color rather than doing it the opposite way. So now I'm going in with that yellow, as you see, and I'm buffing that above that. And as you can see, that it's taken away from the orange, so that I'm going to go back to the orange and bring that orange back up to its, vibrant. So now I'm going in with this darker neon orange kind of shade. This one is going to just give it some more depth. Shout out to the girl that I saw doing this look on Instagram, or that did this look, that literally gave me the inspiration to recreate the look. It'll be linked down below, you guys. She's so cute. Actually, you know what? I couldn't even find her Instagram, so I'll have the picture on the screen so you guys could see. So shout out to her. If you guys know her Instagram, definitely tag her or leave her Instagram down below. So now I'm going back with that paint pot, and I am now cutting the crease. I cut the crease higher than my actual crease because I'm going to go in with the glitter, as you see, and I want it to show when my eyes are open without hiding under the crease. And now I'm going to go in with the green shade. I know these have names, you guys, but James outdid himself. He should have put the names on the palette, because I'm not keeping that plastic on there all the time. So in order for me to get that neon yellow, I had to go in with yellow on top. You're going to see me go in with that next to make it more neon yellow. So now for glitter, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter stuffed eyeliner that I got. I'm using that. It's just straight yellowish gold, and I wanted to bring in a more glittery effect, like a rainbow glitter that's gold. So I used that on top of that. So I just used it kind of like a glitter glue or base and stuff like that. So after doing this, I wipe my face off to make sure I have no fallout, and I'm going to go in and moisturize the puck out of my skin. So I'm using my Nivea face cream and my Tarte Maracuja Gold oil, and I'm going to moisturize the face. Okay. Oh, might as well use the excess for the elbows. You know what I'm saying? So I was trying to debate between using the ColourPop or Clinique, and I ended up using ColourPop. I can't talk. Blending that out with my Morphe brush. Most of the brushes I'm using came in the Morphe bundle with the James Charles brushes. So now I'm going in with my Kylie concealer in the shade Peanut. This is a very light shade for me, and I don't want to use it all over my face. Like, you're going to see me go in with my Clinique foundation and concealer in the shade 24 Caramel, I believe it's called. And then I'm going to outline the edges with that to even out the color, because it was just too light. Usually I use granola first from Kylie, and then I use a couple dots of Peanut, but I ran out of granola, so I had to make it do what it do. And this is my first time trying this jaw trick that you see me doing in a while. I haven't done this in a while, but I decided to try it today. And yeah, so I'm blending that out. To contour today, unfortunately, these are now discontinued, but this is a NYX Mineral Stick Foundation. Not gonna lie, I didn't really like it as a foundation, but I definitely am for the contour stick for sure. This one is in the shade Espresso. Like I said, this discontinued, so I'm sorry. I haven't found a new contour stick yet. I'm gonna look for a whole new makeup routine, you guys. I want to switch it up a little bit. So, yeah. To set my face, I'm going to be using two Maybelline Fit Me powders, one in the shade 20 and one in the shade 30. The one that's in the shade 30 I'm using on my jawline. It's more so yellow. And then the one in shade 20 I'm going to use under my eyes. I don't know how I feel about that specific shade yet. Might be a little too light for me, but I have to use it a couple more times before I decide. Wow, that's so crazy. I've had this BH Cosmetic contour kit for the longest time, you guys. Definitely get this palette. Like, this contour kit or palette is amazing. Seriously. So now I'm sweeping off all that bake. And we are now going to set our face. And I'm going to be using my NYX, Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm going to use a NYX No Filter powder in the shade Sable under the eyes to give me that golden, nice, warm under eye without it being too ashy. And now I'm going to go in with those shades you see me going with for my blush. And I just was so shocked, you guys, at this. Whoa! Yeah. It was so nice, you guys. It was really nice. Now for the bottom of the eye, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did on top. I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot again, just to make sure my colors are really popping, because I'm using really bright colors. I'm going to just do that neon, and then you're going to see me going with a couple of glitters, and yeah. For mascara, I like to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. Love it so much. And I'm just getting my lashes prepped for some falsies. So now we're here with the falsies. And now I'm going to spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm trying not to get it on the eyeshadow, because I noticed sometimes when you spray setting spray on the eyeshadow, it takes away the pigment. And so I just use a blow dryer to make the process dry and go faster, because I was kind of in a rush. And then I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys. I forgot the name, but it was a part of the Vault collection that she did. And she has this shade in there that's like greenish, like trophy wife it reminds me of. And I love it so much. I've been wearing it on my brow bone, my highlight, on my lid. And it's just been so bomb. Amazing. For the lips, you guys, I'm going to do my same regular combo. And this is my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in this shade Gingerbread. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Nudie Patootie. And then I'm going to go in. No, that's it. That's it. And that's pretty much it for the look, you guys. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see y'all. All right, peace. We go.
If I take off this makeup, would you let